dyed black.
I wasn't trying to kill anyone. I couldn't have known she was standing there. I was making a statement.
You did more than that.
That poor dead girl on the table. Her body warped and twisted into unnatural shapes, all for some farcical idea of beauty. It's barbaric and outdated thinking.
Miss Moss, why you threw the brick is immaterial. At best, you'll be charged with destruction of property. At worst, manslaughter. Either way, we'll be spending a night in our cells.
Detective, you must know I didn't wish for anyone to die.
Did you write this note to Miss Eloise?
No.
Simon! What on earth happened to you?
Nothing.
Simon!
I saw a penny on the side.